Okay, what is up YouTube? So, we're going to be playing Minecraft today. So, as you can see, I'm very sick. So, I hope you hit the subscribe button down below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Cause I just made this account yesterday. No. Okay. Wait, did I say? I woke up very late, starting to record at 7 p.m.
Hey, you have V16 and claimed leveling rewards.
Starting to record at 7 p.m.
Click here to view them. Hey, you have 66 and claimed achievement rewards. Click here to view them. 797A VIP A_it's_Jaden F. Who wants to play capture? 1/4 people.
Double.
Say ABC. 7277DN_MCZX7. Me. VMVPA plus V Batman_19F6 join the lobby. VMVPA plus V Silver Striker F6 join the lobby. VMVPC plus V Zedikia F6 join the lobby. 767 VMVPC plus V Zedikia F. GAO. 767 VMVPC plus V Zedikia F. LMFAO. F108 F7 Psycho Puppy _7. Hot. 7247 VMVP The Dog Flash F. Hello, if you like Bed Wars, I have a guild for you. It's called Bed Wars is awesome. All stars can join. Ask me if you want to join. 767 VMVPC plus V Zedikia F. GTG dude. Need to sleep. Sending you to MINI 4. Minecraft James has joined. 1716. Milk Games 2 _ yes. The game starts in 10 seconds. The game starts in 5 seconds. The game starts in 4 seconds. The game starts in 3 seconds. The game starts in 2 seconds. The game starts in 1 second. Bed Wars. Protect your bed and destroy the enemy beds. Upgrade yourself and your team by collecting iron, gold, emerald, and diamond pro generators.
Press my 1 and
Access powerful upgrades.
Press my 1.
You can only break blocks placed by a player. You can only break blocks placed by a player. You can only break blocks placed by a player. Plus 25 Bed Wars experience.
No.
Time played. Plus 5
Okay, I'm
coins.
gonna get
Time played.
some TNT.
If you get disconnected, /rejoin to join back in the game. You can only break blocks placed by a player. You purchased iron sword. You purchased wool. 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 You don't have enough iron. Need 2 more. 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 Bed destruction. Aquabed got mem by H_rat. Satorzy fell into the void. H_rat was killed by Summerbed. Plus 25 Bed Wars experience. Time played. Plus 5 coins. Time played. Marshmallow 156 fought to the edge with Survivor 27. Bed destruction. Pink Bed had to raise the white flag to Zaichu. Gordon fought to the edge with Zaichu. Final kill. Suyu fell into the void. Marshmallow 156 died in close combat to Survivor 27. Final kill. Team eliminated. Pink team has been eliminated. H_rat was killed by Summerbed. Bed destruction. White Bed was destroyed by Summerbed. Suyu fell into the void. Satorzy fell into the void. H_rat died in close combat to Zaichu. Final kill. Winnie died in close combat to Survivor 27. Team eliminated. White team has been eliminated. You purchased wooden pickaxe. Efficiency on. Plus 25 Bed Wars experience. Time played. Plus 5 coins.
This is so
Time
bad.
played. 1 winner fell into the void. Final kill. Zaichu was killed by Summerbed. Cross-teaming is not allowed. Report cross-teaming on the forums. Suyu fell into the void. Summerbed died in close combat to Survivor 27. Final kill. Team eliminated. Aqua team has been eliminated. Plus 25 Bed Wars experience. Time played. Plus 5 coins. Time played. Minecraft Jane purchased Heal Pool. Minecraft Jane purchased It's a Trap. Your trap has been set off. Shout Blue MVP plus White 3 low _ sky. TNT. Bed destruction. Your bed had to raise the white flag to Zaichu. Joshua _556 be cannonballed to death by Suyu. Grigorous 780 was killed by White 3 low _ sky. Final kill. TAILS 354 be cannonballed to death by Suyu. Minecraft Jane was killed by White 3 low _ sky. Final kill. You have been eliminated. Team eliminated. Red team has been eliminated. Sending you to MINI37F. Torikage _cage has joined. 5/16. Minecraft Jane has joined. 6/16. John Boy 33 has joined. 7/16. Awesome TP9 has joined. 8/16. AHN20061101 has joined. 9/16. NA Yaru has joined. 10/16. Nidringo has joined. 11/16. Ruayin has joined. 12/16. Volcavista has joined. 13/16. Bobrix has joined. 14/16. Mr. Cremper has joined. 15/16. Cowboy James 12 has joined. 16/16. Cowboy James 12 has quit. UIJIN2008 has joined. 16/16. The game starts in 10 seconds. Mr. Cremper has quit. Uranus has joined. 16/16. MVP plus Nidringo. Don't hack please. Volcapista. Tifo J Snary. The game starts in 5 seconds. The game starts in 4 seconds. The game starts in 3 seconds. The game starts in 2 seconds. The game starts in 1 second. Bobrix. Blaz. Bed Wars. protect your bed and destroy the enemy beds.
Now it's a gift for messing with
Upgrade
us.
yourself and your
No,
team by
mess
collecting
with us.
iron, gold, emerald, and diamond from generators
You.
to access powerful upgrades. 1-1 White Uranus, GM. Void 33 disconnected. 1-1 White Uranus,
Dude.
Volcapista fell into the void. Awesome TP9 disconnected. Team eliminated. Yellow team has been eliminated. 1-1 White Uranus, GL. 5-8 White VIP plus Minecraft James. I'm reading now. Plus 25 Bed Wars experience. Time played. Plus 5 points. Time played. If you get disconnected, use /rejoin to join back in the game. Uranus has invited you to join their party. Click here to join. You have 60 seconds to accept. Shout blue MVP plus Nidri. Red, don't do it. You joined Uranus's party. Unknown command. Type /help for help. UIJIN2008 fell into the void. 5-8 White VIP plus Minecraft Jame. But I'm not Ropo. Uranus has promoted VIP plus Minecraft Jame to party leader. AHN20061101 was killed by Bobriggs. NA Yari was knocked into the void by Volcapista. You purchased End Stone. You purchased Oakwood Planks. You purchased Oakwood Planks. Drax there and find it Ringo. You purchased Hardened Clay. AHN20061101 fell into the void. Plus 25 Bed Wars experience. Time played. Plus 5 points. Time played. NA Yari was killed by Bobriggs. Bed destruction. Grey Bed was destroyed by Volcapista. Volcapista was wrapped into a gift by AHN20061101. Jojo22_CZ was knocked into the void by Ruain. Draxmog was knocked into the void by Ruain. Torikage_Cage was knocked into the void by Uranus. Ruain was knocked into the void by Draxmog. Bobriggs was wrapped into a gift by AHN20061101. Shout blue Ruain. Wrecked mates. Nidringo was killed by Draxmog. Torikage_Cage was knocked into the void by Minecraft Jame. Draxmog was killed by Ruain. Bed destruction. Pink Bed was destroyed by Minecraft Jame. Plus 10 points. Bed destroyed. AHN20061101 was killed by Bobriggs. Final kill. NA Yari was killed by Bobriggs. Final kill. Team eliminated. Grey team has been eliminated. Minecraft team was killed by UIJIN2008. You will respawn in 5 seconds. You will respawn in 4 seconds. You will respawn in 3 seconds. Jojo22_CZ met their end finite ring. Draxmog fell into the void. You will respawn in 2 seconds. You will respawn in 1 second. You have already SP'd. UIJIN2008 was knocked into the void by Uranus. Final kill. Uranus was knocked into the void by UIJIN2008. Draxmog fell into the void. Ruain was killed by Jojo22_CZ. Plus 25 Bed Wars experience. Time played. Plus 5 coins. Time played. Torikage_Cage was killed by Minecraft Jame. Final kill. Plus 2 coins. Final kill. Team eliminated. Pink team has been eliminated. Cross-teaming is not allowed. Report cross-teamers on the forums. Jojo22_CZ met their end finite Ringo. Draxmog fell into the void. Volcapista fell into the void. Shout blue Ruain. WTF red. Jojo22_CZ met their end finite Ringo.